Hello and welcome to another CARSTAR video. Today we will be showing you how to remove a door mirror from a Mahindra XUV500, and without further ado, let's get into our main tutorial. We begin our process by removing the inner cover of the door mirror just like so with any plastic piece or flathead screwdriver, so we can have access to our bolts to hold the mirror in place. These are very standard 10mm nuts there, as you can see, and just the switch for the door mirror. Now, to give us some space, we'll be pulling out the top part of the door trim just like so, and with a 10mm spanner just loosen it until you can turn it by hand. And over here you would need a magnet just to make sure you don't drop those nuts inside the door panel. If you do drop them, they're very standard 10mm nuts if you have them lying around, or if you want to get them from inside the door panel, I'll be making a video of that as well. Now, as you can see, I turn it by hand and also put the magnet there so it doesn't fall inside. You do this process for all three of the nuts. Before I take off the other ones, I first disconnect the plug for the door mirror, and that's just by pushing the side of the plug in with a flathead screwdriver. You'll see me do shortly. And the wire has been disconnected just like so, very easy to do. And we take off our nuts, and that's when the door mirror will be completely detached from the door panel. At the end of the process, if you want to put your door trim back, you just push it in. It's just a clip there, and after you change your door mirror around. And I'd recommend standing on the outside of the door when you're taking off the last nut, just so it doesn't fall off in case, and you just wriggle the rest of it out. As always, we hope you have found the video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any special requests, let us know in the comments below, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.